to be your own boss? Control your own destiny? The internet has opened doors, my friends. Dropshipping is one of those doors, and it's wide open right now. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs, a real hustle-free path to building your own empire. Forget the old ways, the brick and mortar, the inventory nightmares. Dropshipping is about working smarter, not harder. This is the future of business. Low risk, high reward. You sell products online, but you don't keep them in stock. Sounds crazy? It's not. It's brilliant. You're the middleman, connecting customers with suppliers. They handle the inventory and shipping. You focus on what matters: marketing, branding, and building your brand. The best part? You can start small. No need for a warehouse or a team of employees. Just you, your laptop, and the fire in your belly. This is about taking control, putting in the work, and reaping the rewards. Are you ready to step up? This is the era of the entrepreneur. The internet has leveled the playing field. Dropshipping is your weapon, your ticket to the big leagues. So, are you in?
Okay, let's break this down. Dropshipping is simple. You create an online store. You list products. Customers buy from you. Here's the magic. You don't actually have the product. A customer places an order. You forward the order to your supplier. They package and ship the product directly to your customer. You keep the profit margin. See? Simple. You're the bridge between the customer and the supplier. You focus on the customer experience, marketing, branding, customer service. Let the supplier handle the logistics. It's a beautiful partnership. Don't overthink it. Find a niche, build a brand, and start selling. The beauty of dropshipping is its simplicity. It allows you to focus on what you're good at, building a business.
Why is everyone talking about dropshipping? Let's get real. Low startup costs. That's right, you don't need a fortune to get started. Forget about investing in inventory. Forget about renting a warehouse. Dropshipping is about lean, mean, entrepreneurial spirit. Location independence. Work from anywhere. Beach, mountains, your couch. As long as you have an internet connection, you're in business. This is freedom, my friends. This is the future of work. Scalability. Start small, grow big. As your business grows, you can easily add more products, more suppliers, more customers. The sky's the limit. No more limitations, no more excuses. Low overhead, keep your costs low, your profits high. No need for a big team or expensive office space. Dropshipping is about maximizing efficiency and profitability. It's about working smarter, not harder. Flexibility. Choose your products, your niche, your hours. Be your own boss. Set your own rules. This is about taking control of your life and your future.
Section 4, the money game, tapping into the e-commerce goldmine. Let's talk money. E-commerce is booming. People are buying everything online. Dropshipping lets you tap into this massive market. This is where the real opportunity lies. Find the right products, find the right niche, market the hell out of it. The potential is unlimited. This is about understanding the market, finding your audience, and delivering value. Build a brand. Don't just sell products, sell an experience. Create a community, connect with your customers. This is how you build a sustainable, profitable business. The money is out there. Dropshipping gives you the tools to reach it, but it's not about getting rich quick. It's about hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. Are you ready to claim your piece of the pie?
Section 5. Ready, Set, Dropship, your journey to entrepreneurial success. We've covered the basics. You understand what dropshipping is. You see the potential. Now it's time to take action. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Do your research. Find your niche. Build your store. Start selling. It's not going to be easy, but it will be worth it. This is about building something from nothing. This is about creating your own future. Embrace the journey. Embrace the challenges. Embrace the failures, because that's where the real growth happens. That's where you learn and adapt and come back stronger. This is your time. This is your opportunity. Go out there and crush it. The world is waiting for you.